Hello! Hey guys, welcome back to the FUNemployed Family. This is episode 10 and we're going to recap our last week in Lake Tahoe.
Yep. It was a good one. We had a lot of fun. Do you want to jump right into what was your favorite thing?
Yeah, my favorite thing, no, Emerald Bay is not my favorite thing.
Do you want to talk about what we did?
Yes. Okay, so Kelly, what did we do this week? Remind me.
We went for a hike to Emerald Bay. We went to the beach and we went camping.
Yeah, Lisa had her first camping experience, which was pretty cool. Let's talk about that first, I guess. You want to talk about that first?
Yeah, that was great.
Okay, so we went up to the north shore of Lake Tahoe in Tahoe City. There's a campground that's right on the water, and we purposely picked this campground because it's right down the path from Commons Beach, and on Sunday nights in Tahoe City in the summer, there are beach concerts. So I purposely wanted to go sit there on the beach, watch a band play, and then just be able to walk back to our campsite. So it was perfect. All right, guys, first time camping with Lisa. Let's welcome you to our humble abode. So we got room for Dad, Mom, and Lulu. And it's a tent within a tent. So we'll see. We're not sure if she's really gonna sleep in that. If not, we have this little mattress underneath. She might just sleep on that. Right, Lulu? Hi. All right. Zipping it up. And there's the view. There's the view.
We had a great time. We set up our campsite really quickly, ran to the concert, stayed at the concert, super family friendly. Lisa was dancing, we were dancing. And then we all walked back as a family. Lisa was a trooper. She walked the whole way back, and by the time we got back it was pretty late, so she stayed up pretty late, watched the sunset with us. Yeah. Super cool. Yeah,
we walked by this little pier, sat there, watched the sunset, grabbed the drone really quick because it was just so peaceful and beautiful. It was a great way.
It was awesome.
Yeah, it was a great first experience for her camping. Yeah. And the good thing is that she actually she fell asleep pretty easily.
Because she stayed up so late.
In the tent, yeah. And then that gave us a chance to actually sit by the fire and relax a little bit at night. So that was really, all went well for the first camping experience.
Except we forgot the marshmallows for the campfire.
Oh yeah, no s'mores for us.
Anyway, yeah. Other than that, it was great.
So another big thing that we did this week was the hike to Emerald Bay. It's in California, and it's about, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes from South Lake Tahoe. It's one of the probably the most visited and most touristed areas in all of Lake Tahoe. It's a really beautiful bay. In the middle of the bay, there is this little tiny island. There's a big mansion at the bottom, at the shore of the bay. So a lot of people go there, and there's this hike that you can do. And it was not my favorite hike.
Yeah.
It's super beautiful, but it was really crowded. The hike is set up in a way where you start at the top with this really pretty view, and then you hike down. You don't really realize how far you're going down. You get down to the bottom. The lake is nice. It's pretty. We went out on a little pier. There's tons of butterflies down there, so Lisa was playing with all the butterflies and chasing them around. And then there's also some waterfalls, which are really cool as well. But then you got to hike back up.
And it's just an out and back, so hiking back up is kind of boring because it's stuff you already saw on the way down. So yeah, just not our favorite hike, but the view on the way down was great. And then also on the way back, we felt really bad for people that were carrying coolers all the way down to the beach. We're like, oh, good luck, buddy.
Yeah, I had Lisa on my back, and it was tough. I had to stop and take breaks. Yeah. I feel like kind of a wuss, but the good thing is that Lisa fell asleep on the way up towards the top. We got up there. We just took the hiking backpack off. She was still sleeping in it, and we set it up, and then Kelly and I got to go sit on a rock and enjoy the view and kind of relax a little bit.
Yeah, I think if we were going to do Emerald Bay in that area again, maybe we would just do the viewpoint at Emerald Bay because there's awesome, beautiful views of the whole bay and the mountains and the trees. Yeah. And then maybe do the Eagle Falls hike, which is also, the trailhead is right next to the Emerald Bay beach trailhead. So yeah.
When she woke up, we wanted to have a little family dance party. We tried to, she was not in a good mood, Lisa wasn't, and we tried to get her in a good mood, and then sure enough, she trips over a big rock. That made everything worse. So then I just tried to like swing her around a little bit and keep her happy. And it worked.
Eventually.
It worked a little bit, but then it was just time to go.
Yeah.
So.
Toddler life.
Yeah. And something else we did this week was go to a couple different beaches. The first one we went to is called Lester Beach, and it is part of the D.L. Bliss State Park.
Lester Beach is usually, parking lot's usually full around like 10 a.m. even on the weekdays. So if you're gonna get there really early.
Yeah.
We finally made it early.
We had a great time. The water was calm, clear. I took the GoPro out on the paddleboard for a little while, which was really cool.
Lester Beach also has like some great rocks. If you're into paddleboarding or kayaking, there's like just some great like beach rocks and things to kayak around and check out.
Yep. Lisa was obsessed with the paddleboard. She kept wanting to play on it on the beach. So we did some fun stuff with her there.
Jumping on it, jumping off of it. It was fun.
Yeah. One more thing to talk about is we had some friends come and visit us, Nick, Molly, and Bentley.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming out and visiting us. We went to the beach with them, and Lisa got to play with her little friend, Bentley, and of course Lisa ate more sand. That's her theme right now. She's she's a connoisseur of different beach sand. Mm-hmm. She likes to try all of them. But we went to Meeks Bay in California and had a good day. It was a crowded day. It was a weekend day, but we had fun and took some overhead footage of the bay itself. It's really pretty. There's a big drop-off offshore. You can see the watercolor changes pretty dramatically. So that was pretty cool to see that from above. And yeah, we had a great day with them. So thanks again, guys, for visiting.
So our time in Tahoe has come to an end, and we're really sad to be leaving.
Yeah, but we have lots of good adventures coming up, so we're looking at it that way. Glass half full, but yeah. We're just gonna have to go back to Tahoe on our own vacation. So wrapping up our Tahoe experience, in conclusion, we have a few thoughts.
If you're thinking about visiting, do it. And if the water scares you, jump in anyway. It's cold, but it's refreshing, and you will not regret it.
Yeah, you feel much better afterwards. It seems scary, but just do it.
Yeah,
trust me.
If you like being outdoors and in nature, this is the place for you or for anybody. We spent a month here, and it flew by. We could have easily spent another month or 2 or 3 and not run out of things to do.
Yeah, and it's also expensive to get a boat and rent a boat for a day, but if there's any way you can do it, try to do that as well. The lake opens up, you can go to so many different little coves and things that you might not be able to get to. Those are our 2 favorite days, probably were the boat days. It was just really, really awesome.
Yeah, and we actually have a lot of great boat footage in our previous video, episode 9.
Yeah, episode 9 is pretty much all boat day drone footage, so if you're into that, check that out. That was last episode.
Yep.
So.
Yep. So our next video will be full of fun footage from Chicago and Michigan.
Yep.
And then
in August, we head over to Europe and we start the international portion of our trip. So we're really, really stoked about that.
Yep. Where are we starting?
We're starting in Paris.
Why is Paris special?
We got engaged in Paris. Yeah, so we're starting in Paris for just a few days, and then we're going to be kind of based in southwestern Germany near Stuttgart. And we'll be doing some day trips and kind of 2 or 3 day long trips and jumping off to southern France, Austria, and Switzerland. And then
we're going to Croatia.
Yeah, we're going to be in Croatia for about a week.
It's been on our list for a long time, so we're really excited.
Yeah, it should be fun. We're going to be in Dubrovnik. So if anybody has any suggestions for Dubrovnik, Austria, Switzerland, Southern Germany, yeah, we're all ears. You can leave them in the comments, send us a message. We'd love to hear your thoughts.
Yeah.
And then after that, we head to Southeast Asia, and we'll get more into that in a later video. But yeah, that's kind of our plan for the foreseeable future.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Until next time.
All right.
Bye.